Hello teachers, welcome to this video. The CBSE board has made art education and art integrated learning mandatory for all the CBSE affiliated schools, and in this regard the board has released a circular on 14th May 2020. As per this circular, the board has also created one AIL portal, that is Art Education and Art Integrated Learning Portal, which is also called as Kala Setu portal, for reporting of the implementation of art education and art integrated learning. The board has very specifically mentioned that it is important for the schools to upload the details of the art education and art integrated learning for enabling the students of class 10th and 12th to appear in board examinations. That means the schools will not be able to download the admit cards of the students unless they upload the details of the art activities on this Kala Setu portal. Now, where do we find this Kala Setu portal? So, the link for the Kala Setu portal is given in the circular itself. When you click on this link or when you copy paste this link in the browser, it will take you to Kala Setu portal. So this is the Kala Setu portal. When you click on this continue, it will take you to the login page. Schools need to enter the affiliation number and password that is used for other CBSE activities. So it will, after filling these correct details, it will take you to art integration portal, that is Kala Setu portal. So this is how the Kala Setu portal looks. There are total 5 parts in this Kala Setu portal that we need to complete. One by one we will see the information and how to fill all these 5 parts. First part asks you the information about art teachers in your school. This is the second part, in which you need to upload the details of the art periods per class. In the third part, you need to mention the details of the art activities performed in the school. In the fourth part, you need to mention the details of the art integrated activities performed in the school. And in the last part, that is fifth part, schools need to enter the details of the art integrated projects. So this is how Kala Setu portal looks, and these are the 5 components, 5 parts that we need to complete on this portal. First part, details of the art teachers. Second part, details of the art periods in the school. Third part, art integrated activities. Fourth part, art activities, and fifth part, art integrated project. Now let us see how do we fill this Kala Setu portal. How do we fill the details of different activities on the Kala Setu portal, and after filling, how does it look? So this is the first part, in which second part, in which we need to fill the details of the art periods given per class per week. So in this space, from this space we need to select the class, select the day, and on that particular day what is the timing of the art period. So that information needs to be entered here. So here we have mentioned, for example, we have mentioned here class 1. From this drop down menu I have selected grade 1. The day I have selected Wednesday, and 11:50 is the time given for the art period. So when we enter these details, or when we select these details, we need to click add. when we click add, the information will automatically reflect on in one table below this add tab, and you will get a message that your data has been added successfully. So this is the information of first art period for grade 1. So you can mention, if in your school if you are giving more than one art periods, you can once again select grade 1 and mention the day on which second art period is given and mention its timing. So when you click this add tab, so the information that you have selected and filled, it will reflect in this table which comes under this add tab. So in the similar manner, you can select classes from grade 1 to 10, and you can select different days on which art periods are given in those classes, and you can select the timings of those art periods. So once this complete information is filled for all the grades, and after filling information for every grade, you need to press this add tab, and finally it will look like this. So here you can see that details of the art periods are filled for all the grades from 1st to 10th standard. So once you fill the time and date of art periods for all the classes, you need to click on this save and next, so that you will be able to go to the next part of the art integration portal. Now we are on part 3. In this part 3, we have to mention the details of the art activities as per the syllabus performed. Now where do we find these art activities? The list of these art activities is given in the circular in annexure 2. So when we click this space, select serial number, you will get one drop down menu, and in that drop down menu there will be serial numbers of the art activities. Let us go back to the circular to see these serial numbers. Now see, this is annexure 2. So these are the serial numbers of the art activities: 4.1.1.1, 4.1.1.1. So these are the serial numbers of the art activities, and in the next column there is description of these art activities or method of conducting the art activity. So from the drop down menu, you need to select one art activity for every class, or if you want, if you have performed more than one art activities, you can select more activities. So this is the space where we click, and after that there will be a drop down menu displaying the list or the serial numbers of the art activities. So we need to select one art activity, and then we need to select the number of students who participated in that art activity. So here you can mention whatever is the strength of your class, and then you can mention the class here. So this is how for one class we selected one art activity. We entered the number of students who participated in the activity, and after that we need to click this add tab. So once we click this add tab, that serial number of the selected activity, number of students who participated in the activity, and class, all this information will appear appear in a table which will be reflected under the add tab, and here you will get a message that your data has been added successfully. So now we added or we uploaded information of one art activity. This is for grade 1. Then you can again press this add tab, and if you have conducted more activities for grade 2, you can from this section you can select a class grade 2, enter the number of students who are there in grade 2, and then you can select one activity from the drop down menu for grade 2nd. So here you can see that for grade 2nd I have selected 4.1.4.4 activity from the list of given options. So in this way, we have selected art activities for all the grades from grade 1 to grade 10. So all the activities that you have selected and added will immediately appear in one table, which will appear under this add tab. So once you finished entering activities till 10 standard, you can click on this save and next tab, so that you will go to the next part of the Kala Setu portal. Right now we are on part 3. On part 3 we are filling this art activities. So when you click on this save and next, it will take you to the next page, that is part 4. Let us see how do we fill details in part 4. So in part 4, we need to enter the details of art integrated activities for classes 1 to 12th. So what we need to do here is, we need to select one class from the drop down menu, then select the activity. This activity also we need to select from the drop down menu. Then the subject, this activity we are conducting for which subject, and then we need to enter the topic. So for which topic we are integrating that activity with which topic. So here I can give you one example. This is grade 1. I have selected grade 1 from this drop down menu. So the activity selected from the drop down menu is sketching. So this activity is conducted for English, and the topic for which I am conducting this activity is clouds and Anandi's rainbow. So this is one lesson from the English textbook. So I want to integrate the sketching activity for this lesson, clouds and Anandi's rainbow, and for English subject. So where is this list of activities available? The list of activities is also available in the circular. Let's go back to the circular to see the list of activities. See, when you in part 4, when you click on this activities, it will display this drop down menu where there is list of these 30 activities like role play, arts exhibition, video, filmmaking, photography, slideshow, and so on. So this list will automatically appear there. You just need to select one activity from the drop down menu. So right now we have field details of art integrated activity for grade 1. Once this information is filled and it is appearing in this table, and now you want to enter the details of art activity for another subject in first standard, you can repeat the same procedure. Select the class, select the activity, select the subject, and then enter the topic. See here, for maths, I have selected another activity, that is video or filmmaking. It is chosen from the drop down menu. Subject is maths, and the topic with which this activity can be integrated is shapes and spaces. Once I select this activity for maths, I can click add button so that it will appear and data will be saved in this table. Then I can go to the next subject, that is EVS. Activity is sketching, and the topic with which I want to link this activity is plants. So this is how you can repeat the same procedure for different subjects from grade 1 to 10. And when you feel when you enter the details of all the art integrated activities from grade 1 to 10, finally your table will look like this, and all the details that you have filled will reflect in this table. In case if you want to change your mind, for example in class 5th you have selected the activity paper quilling for Hindi for the chapter Sagar Tatke Ped, and then you want to change your mind, you can delete this activity also by clicking delete, and you can make changes in it. So this is how we fill the information of arts integrated activity on this part 4 of Kala Setu portal. Once all the art integrated activities are filled, at last we will have to click on this save and next, so that we will be able to go to the last part of Kala Setu portal, that is part 5. This is part 5. Now we are on the last page, part 5. In part 5, we need to mention the details of art integrated projects. In the circular, the board has mentioned that all the CBSE affiliated schools are supposed to conduct at least one art integrated project for all the classes from grade 1 to 8. But for grade 9 and 10, there should be different art integrated project. That means there should be one art integrated project per subject. For every subject there should be one art integrated project. So again, in this space we need to select the class and how many subjects we want to cover in that art integrated project, that we need to select here from the drop down menu. In this box you will be able to see the names of all the subjects for grade 9 and 10. When you want to select multiple subjects, you should press the control button and you can select more than one subject. You can select maximum 5 subjects. Then here you need to mention the duration of the project, whether that project required less than 1 month, it required more than 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. So these details are available in this drop down menu. So as per the time taken for your project, you can mention the exact time, whether it was less than 1 month or 2 months. Here you need to mention the date of the starting of the project, beginning date of the project, and the submission date, that is the end last date of the project. So when name of one project or details of one project are entered, you can click on this add button, so that whatever information you have filled, it will appear in the table under this add button. See here, for grade 1 the information, for grade 10 information field is like this. So the project which was selected is connected to different subjects like Hindi course B, science, social science, English, language and literature, and information technology. So this project is taking less than 1 month, and starting date of the project is 25th December and end date of this project is 24th January. So that means this project will take less than 1 month. So all the details which were filled in these given spaces are appearing here in this table, which will appear under the add tab. So in this manner you can fill the details of art integrated projects for all the classes. See, for 9th and 10th, it will give you, this drop down menu will give you the list of many subjects which are there for grade 9 and 10. However, when you select the subjects for lower grades like grade 1 to 5, the subjects will be limited, like English, Hindi, Maths and EVS. So up to 5th standard you will not see separate social science and science. So you will have the option of selecting only EVS. From grade 6 onwards, you will have more options of subjects like history, political science and geography. So you can select the appropriate subjects here in this box from the available list, and you can integrate your project with different subjects. So after filling the details of all the classes, finally your table will look like this. You will get all the details filled for art integration project in this table. So here you can see the summary of your art integration projects. So after completion of this part, you should click on this save and submit, and then you will go to the last page where you can finalize your data. So far you have been filling data on this part 1. In part 1 you filled the names of the art teachers in your school. In part 2 you filled the details of the art periods, that is timetable of the art periods. In part 3 we have filled the art activities. In part 4 we have filled art integrated activities, and in part 5 we have filled art integrated project. So once we have filled the details in all these 5 parts of art integration portal, Kala Setu portal, finally it will take you to this tab, final submission. So once you are sure that everything is filled, you can click on this final submission, and after the final submission it will generate this page. So on this page there is summary of all the details, summary of all the 5 parts that you have entered on this Kala Setu portal. See here this is part 1. Part 1 talks about the details of the art teachers that you have filled. That information will be reflected here. Part 2, this is your art periods timetable for all the grades, right from grade 1 to grade 10. This is the timetable. This is the information that you have uploaded. Now it is appearing on the final page in the form of summary. This is part 3. This is the information of art activities that you have selected. See, these are the art activities which appeared in the drop down menu. You selected these activities. These are the number of students who participated in these activities and for which class this activity was conducted. This is part 4, arts integrated activity. So these are the details that you have entered here, which you will be able to see in the form of summary on this last page. So this is the report, final report of the art integration portal. See here we can see that for grade 1, for math subject, video and filmmaking activity was selected in part 4, and this activity was connected to the topic shapes and spaces. So you will be able to see the entered information on the final submission page. And this is the last part, that is details of the art integrated projects for all classes. So all the information that you have filled is appearing on this page. Now in the beginning of this final report, there is one important point that you need to notice, and you should save it, preserve it. So you can see that your art ID. So this art ID is very, very important. In the beginning we have seen that circular mentions that you will be able to download the admit cards of the students when you upload information on the Kala Setu portal. So after final submission of all your data, this website will generate one art ID. So you need to take printout of this final submission, and you need to preserve it carefully, because you will require this password at the time of downloading the hall tickets, admit cards of your students for the board examination. So I hope, dear teachers, after watching this video, you must have understood the procedure of filling the details of art activities, art integrated projects on the Kala Setu portal. Thank you very much for watching this video.